We're gonna check out this spot, man. Who is in front? They are gonna roll. We have also new setup, new alignment. We'll see how it is. We'll see how it is. Oi, 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 oi. Now we don't hear our car, man. Need to warm up, warm up. We don't know this track, come on. Damn, they are going nicely. Oi, oi, already. That dude, he has a speed configuration. We have not that much speed setup. We have sliding setup. Nah, man, we don't know the road, come on. First time driving, what do you want? Nah, man, sketchy spots, trees are so close. 1 millimeter mistake and a game over. Man, with this new setup, need to get used to it, man. I'm feeling this new setup out. Yes! No, I don't know. Feeling it out, man, feeling it out. Nah. And I'm liking this new setup, man. The car is steering good, I think. Very unexplored territory. I don't know if GoPro, I don't know if camera sees anything. Nah, man, these roads, how you can remember the configuration if you are not local here? Actually, it's pretty good road, but a little bit more snow would have been just in time. Ay. Need more tire pressure even on this, cause silly it wouldn't sound. Maybe the dudes with Subarus and everything have already made this road way much grippier than it was. You know what it is? That was nice. These corners are too long. The third gear is like the default here. Second is way too short. Nice spots, Yeah, but the grip changes. Slow down, slow down. Woo. Yeah, man, I like this setup, man. The wheel, the wheel is going as I like, man. It does self-steer, I think, pretty good. Previously it was something messed up, man. Oh, this should be nice, this should be nice. I don't know. Yeah, this is different. Oh, these are nice corners. Need to keep on the outside where nobody have driven, then it's perfect. Very good balance. Okay, man, oil levels checked. Everything should be good. Aye, almost. This was nice. Yeah, the car is steering very good, man, now. Sit back, use all the controls. Everything is possible. Now we have the pro alignment. Where do we go here? The middle is ass. The sides are pretty good. Oh, this felt nice. Damn, can't see nothing so far ahead.
Remember to like and subscribe.
Damn, this was good. But in the previous corner almost fucked up big time. Damn, this config, I guess. Yeah, gripped up here. Yeah, man, I'm getting used to it already. Yeah, most important is to keep the angle. If you straighten out, you can mess shit up. Hey, crazy. This is serious. Damn! Woo! Hey, we don't see nothing. Need to practice left foot brake here, because where else? Ah, nah man, when the foot is on the brake, it's completely different. It's not used. I'm not used to it. Yep, a little bit too crazy, man, come on.